Okay, take a second and look at the device you're watching this on right now. Crazy, right? It literally connects you to the entire globe. The internet is just absolutely packed with these massive opportunities to learn, to build things, and yeah, to earn. Honestly, it's arguably the greatest tool ever created for personal growth and financial freedom. Welcome to W3 Notes, by the way, where we put the internet in a nutshell.
But, and we all know this, here is the massive catch. For most of us, that incredible opportunity, it's just buried under total, suffocating overwhelm. I mean, there's simply way too much information out there, right? You've got new tools launching literally every single day, and it just leads to endless confusion. So instead of feeling empowered by all this tech, you just end up feeling completely paralyzed.
Which, of course, brings us to the million-dollar question. How on earth do you actually keep up? Everything. Work, education, business, the whole shebang is shifting online faster than ever before. So how are you supposed to navigate all this without constantly feeling like you're being left behind?
Well, you need a filter, and that is exactly where W3 Notes comes in. We are your simple, super powerful guide to actually understanding and using the internet effectively. Basically, just think of us as your completely jargon-free antidote to all that digital confusion. We take all the really complex, intimidating stuff and break it down into clear, totally beginner-friendly steps. So here is exactly what you get with us. First, we help you actually understand tech, and we do it in plain English, I promise. Second, we cut right through the hype to show you the AI tools that will genuinely save you time in the real world. And third, we give you completely realistic ways to start earning online and building digital skills that are actually profitable.
Because listen, the internet isn't just a place for doom scrolling and distraction. It is a remarkably powerful tool. And once you truly figure out how to use it, I mean, it's a game changer. You can completely change your life. You absolutely have the power to take control and start creating the exact outcomes you want.
So why not take your first step right now? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join us here at W3 Notes and start finally mastering the internet. The digital world is moving faster than literally ever before. So what's it going to be? Are you ready to finally catch up, or are you going to get left behind?